Hey guys, the good folks over at GlobalPTT gifted me these Walkie Talkies to do a little box opening, show you what you get, and then try them out. So let's get them opened up, and I'll show you what you get. Okay, first thing you're going to see is your wired microphones. These will plug in. You can hang that over your ear. It's got the push to talk mic button right there. Comes with one of those. Have your belt clips here. Attach this to the back of the radio and then clip that onto your belt or pocket, wherever. Has two USB-A to USB-C charging cords. And it does come with the power block. Plug that into the wall, cord into it into the radio. Get them charged up. And we have our radios themselves. It does come with a neck lanyard as well as a lanyard for your wrist. One for each radio. Oh, it does come with another headset too. So it does come with two of them. You don't need those at the moment. Well, that covers what you get in the box. Okay, you have your menu button. You can push that. You can scroll through with the buttons over here on the side. Your settings. Just push that little green sideways L. You can see your different settings there. The red button over here is your power button. The buttons over here also work as your volume buttons. Turn it up or down. Over on the side here, you have your headphone or microphone plug. It's a double plug, and that will plug in right there. Just like that right there. Okay, and as far as this USB-C port here, down here is your charging port. This is where you will charge it. If you find the need to take the battery off, you just push it up and the battery will come off. And it does have a pre-installed SIM card. Now I suppose you could put a second SIM card in there where I showed you. I'm not real sure why you would do it. These SIM cards will last about a year and then you can replace the SIM card. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but for two cards, because you can buy two at a time, one for each one, and it seemed like it was somewhere in the neighborhood of $100, $90, $95, like $45 each. But I don't remember at the moment. And if you're thinking, why can't I just use my cell phone? Because these work off of cell towers. Anywhere there's a cell tower, you should get a signal with these. It will switch between the stronger tower, whether it's Verizon, T-Mobile, or whatever, and it'll use the strongest one. Whereas with your cell phone, it's going to go with your provider. Also, the price difference between this and this is significant. If you drop this, you know, that's not going to be good, but it's not going to be like if you drop this. These are IP57 also, so you don't have to worry about the rain. Not a big deal. Most cell phones you don't have to either, but if I had to replace one of these, it's a no-brainer which one you'd rather replace. That's one of the main differences right there. This is simple. You don't have to worry about a big screen to crack, nothing like that. Push to talk works great. I'm going to try these out. I'm going to put a little distance between me and my girlfriend, and we're going to see how well they work. So stick around for that. Okay, I have drove several miles. We're going to see if she can hear me now. No pun intended. Okay, we are recording, and can you hear me now?
You are loud and clear.
Yeah, you're real loud. I need to turn the volume down on this, I guess. It sounds good and clear.
Sounds good on my end, too.
There you have it. And my cell service on my phone is not that great over here. It cuts in and out on phone calls anyway. Text messages, okay. But phone calls, you may drop a call, you may not, you never know how it's going to work. These are going to cure that problem. Send back to the house. Well, there you have it. Sounded really good. Had several miles between us. No complaints whatsoever. Anyway, there you have it, the GlobalPTT Walkie Talkies. Check them out. If you'd like to get some of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.